All right, welcome back. So if you've been following along with these videos, we've seen so far how we can register our group on the Recovery Dharma website and then put meetings into the website. But Buddhists know that change is inevitable. So what if we want to make changes to the meetings we've put in? Well, that's what this video is about. So to do that, head up to the meetings option up here and choose Start a Meeting. Now, we've already gone through register your Sangha group and create a meeting, so just slide right over to the third item here, which is manage meetings. Now, of course, you're going to have to log in, so go ahead and click that and use the username you've been assigned and the password you've set up. And since I'm here at home, I'm going to check this box, remember me. If you're on a public computer, do not check that box. I'll click login, and here I can see my meetings. So I'm going to click the little pencil icon next to the one I want to change. And let's see. Suppose we want to change check-in from 2 words to just 1 word, check-in. The details look okay. Let's see, what else can we change here? Oh, you know what? Let's make this a hybrid meeting. So it's both in person and online. So I'm going to open this up. Let me put in the Zoom URL, just making up a hypothetical URL here. And let's also have a password for this. So I'll put in, let's see, change is inevitable will be the password. And that'll be shown to people. And let's change some other things. We'll turn off gender expansive and we'll put in general and we'll save it. And that's it. That's all you have to do to make changes to your events. So if we go to find a meeting, let me go to the list view, go to October, and I'll type check-in as 1 word. And wait, what? Check-in as 2 words shows the meetings, but check-in as 1 word doesn't. How come my old meeting is still there? Well, every time you make changes to a meeting, we have to go through once again and wait for approval for those changes to be published. So once that happens, you can go back in, choose Find a Meeting, and I'm going to try again. Let's go to List View, go to October, and see if my changes have been approved. Checking this one. Yep, there it is. So looks good. I'm going to click on one of these, and there it is now. The Zoom link is now there. I can just click that, and everything seems pretty copacetic now. So that's all you have to do to be able to manage your meetings on the Recovery Dharma website. Thanks for watching.